Good day, ladies and gentlemen. For you guys that are watching me or seeing me for the first time, my name is Yari Imasi. I am a German lawyer here in Germany, and most of the areas of the law that I do are immigration law, divorce law, labor law, and criminal laws. So I want to talk about something today that you call in Germany Strafbefehl. It means an order of penalty. So Strafbefehl or order of penalty is mostly used in a simplified form to make a judgment. More or less, you can even call it a judgment. So in this judgment, it is specified how many days you are sentenced to. For instance, if you commit a crime like not driving with a genuine driving license, or maybe even in fraud, or even if it's a body injury or all kinds of loss, you can be sentenced to 120 days. And for each day, a certain amount of money will be fixed, let's say 20 or 25 euros, and it will be summed up together. Then you have a final pay that you are supposed to pay. And in the foreigners' law, Aufenthaltsgesetz, there's a certain fixed limit of this punishment that shouldn't exceed, which is 90 days. If in the judgment or in this order of penalty or Strafbefehl, you are punished up to 91 days, you will be asked to leave the country. The boundary, the minimum, or the highest that is can be accepted by the law, which means it will not be put into consideration if you are punished, is 90 days. If it's more than 90 days, anything more than 90 days, you'll be asked to leave the country. It's written in the Aufenthaltsgesetz, which means this is the law with which foreigners are being treated in this country. And you as a foreigner, any kind of mistakes you make in the country, any kind of crime you commit in the country, and the police is immediately involved, your immigration office responsible for your file will be informed. So be careful. That is the system here. And when you have more than 90 days, your immigration office, as I said, or whoever is in charge of your file, will now write an official letter asking you to leave the country because you are a criminal and you are not, you will not be allowed to remain in the country. So, and in this paper called Strafbefehl, or order of penalty in English language, you'll be given a period of 2 weeks to go against that judgment. So these 2 weeks, use it. Either you come here as a lawyer or you go to a lawyer of your choice. Because if you don't do it, if you don't go against that judgment, these 2 weeks, and you are sentenced more than 90 days, as I said, according to the law, you'll be asked to leave the country. And this thing is affecting a lot of people. So who is a foreigner in Germany? A foreigner is somebody who does not have a German passport. So the other ones that are even from the European community, there are kind of laws that they will commit here. They will be expelled. They will be deported back to their European countries where they are coming from. So the same thing applies to you that is even not a European citizen. You will be deported back to your country because, as I said, foreigners, criminals are not accepted here. So listen very well. The 2 weeks that you are given to take appeal is very, very important. Immediately you get the yellow envelope in your house, go straight away, look for a lawyer or contact me, and appeal has to be taken. And in most cases, the judgment there, the punishment, the money you are asked to pay, it is only estimated as at that time, unless they already know your salary. And your salary is what determines normally what you should pay. So if they don't know your salary as at that time, and it is estimated, they are allowed to estimate according to the law. It's written in the law as well. So they will now ask you to pay maybe 1,200 or maybe 3,000 euros or maybe 4,000 euros. It can even be 20,000. So, and whether you pay the money or you don't pay the money, the immigration office will expel you, will deport you because you now cross the 90 days boundary. So take appeal, and when that paper is unappealable, after the 2 weeks it is unappealable, then nothing can be done. Even if you call for Jesus Christ, you call for Allah, you call for Imam, or you want to call anybody you know in this country, nobody is going to help you. So be very careful. That is something that is really going on now, affecting a lot of people that takes things either for granted or because of the nature of the countries where they are coming from in the world. They are not used to getting letters or being interrogated by the police or this kind of a thing. And if you even think, if you go to the police when you get such a letter, because if you are being accused, the police will write you a letter to come for interrogation. And excuse me, and if you decide to go to the police for interrogation, you should recognize that the sentences and the statement you are going to give to the police there will be used against you later. So that is why it's very important to consult a lawyer, consult me. I will tell you exactly what to do. So, ladies and gentlemen, be very careful and listen to advice, and don't listen to what people tell you from right or left who are not experts in this country. And you have to be very careful. The criminal lawyers, many don't know about the foreigners' laws. So it is only somebody like me who does the foreigner laws and immigration laws here. They know exactly how to help you, because a criminal lawyer will only do the best for you so that you will get lesser sentence. But the problem that will start later with deportation, he cannot help you. So thanks for listening to me as usual, and stay tuned till next time. Bye-bye.